Weight loss, it's a journey that can be as tough as climbing the highest mountain. Every day we see people wrestling with their weight, toying with diets and workouts, but regularly finding themselves stuck, not achieving the results they desire. They often ponder, is there a missing piece? Between grueling exercises and strict diets, the path to weight loss is filled with hurdles. But could there a superfood, a magic solution that could simplify this journey? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the world of chia seeds, a potential game-changer in your weight loss journey. Have you ever found yourself pondering why the journey towards weight loss can feel akin to an uphill battle? Or why certain foods are lavishly praised as superfoods, notably chia seeds? Well, you're not alone. In the arena of health and wellness, numerous individuals often find themselves asking these very same questions. Today, we're turning our attention to a perennial topic that sparked interest and continues to captivate the imagination of fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. We're about to embark on an enlightening exploration, a deep dive if you may, into the world of one such remarkable superfood. It's none other than the humble chia seed. Small in size but undoubtedly gigantic in terms of its nutritional value. This tiny package of nutrients, often overlooked yet incredibly potent, stands out for its astounding weight loss benefits, among its numerous other health advantages. On the other hand, there are those who have successfully managed to lose weight and maintain it. They've transformed their lives, not merely physically, but emotionally and mentally. Their weight loss strategies have encompassed healthy diets, consistent exercise, and a positive outlook. Among these individuals, the incorporation of chia seeds into their diet is prevalent. This miniature powerhouse, as we'll learn, has been instrumental in their journey towards a healthier life. But how exactly does it do that? Stay tuned as we dive the science behind the weight loss benefits of chia seeds. First on the list, chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber. But did you know, these tiny yet potent seeds are more than just that? Originating from a flowering plant in the mint family, chia seeds have been hailed as a superfood, their nutritional value often understated. They might be small, but 2 tablespoons of these seeds contain a staggering 11 grams of fiber. This is almost half of what an average adult should consume daily, according to health guidelines. This high fiber content isn't just for show. Fiber is a vital element in our diet, performing an essential function in regulating our appetite. It has a satiating effect, filling our stomachs for longer durations, thereby effectively controlling unnecessary cravings and the tendency to overeat. It keeps the stomach full for longer, curbing unnecessary snacking and overeating. Secondly, chia seeds are packed with protein. This tiny but mighty superfood boasts a high protein content, which is monumental in your daily nutritional intake. Foods that boast such high protein levels are just essential for building and repairing tissues, but they also play a crucial role in keeping our bodies healthy. They are catalysts for enzymes, hormones, and vitamins, and are elemental in the sustenance of skin, organs, muscles, and bones. Moreover, high-protein foods like chia seeds are known to curtail appetite and amplify feelings of satiety. They act as powerful aids in weight management by keeping hunger at bay, thereby preventing you from overeating. Their satiating effect helps lessen obsessive thoughts about food by a stunning 60%. Even more impressive is their effect on nighttime snacking. Consuming chia seeds can skillfully reduce the desire for nighttime snacking by a whopping 50%. Thereby helping you maintain a healthier diet and lifestyle. They can also help reduce obsessive thoughts about food by 60%, and the desire for nighttime snacking by half. Thirdly, chia seeds expand in the stomach. The seeds are incredibly absorbent. They can soak up liquid up to 12 times their original weight. When mixed with any form of liquid, be it water, juice, or even smoothies, these tiny nutritional powerhouses undergo a fascinating transformation. From their initial hard bead-like form, they gradually absorb the liquid, expanding and swelling in size. In a process that can be quite mesmerizing to watch, each chia seed encapsulates itself within a gel-like coating as it absorbs the liquid. This process leads to the formation of a unique gel-like substance, a result of the chia seed's impressive absorptive capacity. This substance, upon ingestion, makes its way to the stomach. It is there where the magic happens. As this gel-like substance expands further within the stomach, it creates a feeling of fullness. This feeling of being satiated is incredibly potent. It has a powerful effect on our eating habits, particularly on our food intake. By making us feel fuller, the expanded chia seeds contribute to decreasing our tendency to overeat, thus reducing food intake. Fourth, chia seeds are low in calories. Packed into these diminutive kernels are an astonishing array of health benefits that belie their size. Chia seeds, despite their minuscule nature, are in fact a nutrient-dense powerhouse. They are brimming with a variety of vitamins and minerals, those essential substances that our bodies require for optimal performance. Moreover, they are rich in antioxidants, the body's natural defense against harmful free radicals. Importantly, all these impressive nutrients come with a very low calorie count. This quality makes chia seeds an excellent choice for those seeking to lose weight. They provide a substantial amount of nutrients without contributing to caloric overload, making them a perfect addition to any weight loss diet. Fifth, chia seeds can replace higher calorie ingredients. This is a virtue that can transform your culinary experience. Used wisely, chia seeds are a secret weapon in your kitchen. They offer a unique method of trimming down the calorie count of your meals, without sacrificing the flavor or satisfaction of your taste buds. You can use them in a myriad of ways. Think about incorporating them into your baking endeavors as a healthier option. They can seamlessly enhance the texture of your muffins or bread, and you won't even notice the difference. Surprisingly, they also double as a thickener for your sauces and gravies. You can bid farewell to your calorie-dense thickeners and welcome this nutritious alternative instead. They're also an ideal egg substitute for vegans or anyone looking to cut down on their egg intake. A simple switch, yet it can have a profound impact on the nutritional quality of your meals. They can help lower the overall calorie content of meals without compromising on the taste or texture. Firstly, chia seeds are notably recognized for their role in regulating blood sugar levels. This is a crucial aspect of maintaining overall health, particularly for those dealing with conditions such as diabetes. The link between fluctuating blood sugar levels and hunger is well documented. Essentially, the body experiences a surge in appetite when there are spikes in blood sugar. This is where the benefits of chia seeds come into play. They remarkably slow down the conversion process of carbohydrates into sugar. This gradual process helps to maintain a stable blood sugar level, ensuring your body isn't going through rapid fluctuations. This, in turn, reduces the chance of experiencing urges of excessive eating. Finally, by promoting steady blood sugar levels, chia seeds decrease the likelihood of overeating. Finally, chia seeds are a versatile food item that is extremely easy to incorporate into a diet. One of the simplest ways to include these nutrient-rich seeds into your meals is by sprinkling them on salads. They blend in easily, boosting the nutritional value without altering the taste significantly. Another popular and delicious way is to mix them into yogurt. Whether it's Greek yogurt or your favorite flavored version, chia seeds will add a delightful crunch and a boost of nutrients to your snack or breakfast. It's a simple addition, but it can transform your yogurt into a powerhouse meal. For those who enjoy drinking their nutrients, adding chia seeds to smoothies is a fantastic option. It not only gives your smoothies a thicker consistency, but also enhances their nutritional profile. You can experiment with different fruits and yogurt or milk for a variety of delicious smoothies. Surprisingly, chia seeds can also be consumed raw. They have a mild, nutty flavor that can be a pleasant addition to various dishes. This method is ideal for those who prefer keeping their diet simple, yet nutritious. Overall, the diverse ways to consume chia seeds provide plenty of opportunities to incorporate them into your daily diet. This flexibility makes it easy to reap their weight loss benefits. Now that we've seen how easy it is to incorporate chia seeds into your diet, let's look at some success stories from around the globe. Let's begin with Sarah from New York, who lost 20 pounds by adding chia seeds to her daily smoothies. Then there's Raj from India, who replaced his high-calorie snacks with chia seeds, losing 30 pounds. Maria from Spain also lost 15 pounds by adding chia seeds to her meals. These examples show how chia seeds can make a significant difference in weight loss. They reveal that the key to these success stories is the simple inclusion of chia seeds in their diet. Chia seeds are not merely a food trend, but a lifestyle shift that can aid in accomplishing your weight loss objectives. Now let's move on summarizing the benefits of chia seeds. In summary, chia seeds are a versatile addition to any weight loss journey. These tiny kernels are packed with an impressive array of nutrients. They're a superb source of both fiber and protein, two essentials that can aid in weight management. Moreover, they expand in the stomach, which promotes a feeling of fullness and may help control appetite. As a low-calorie food, they can replace higher-calorie ingredients in recipes, contributing to a reduced calorie intake. They're also beneficial for blood sugar regulation, a crucial factor in maintaining a healthy weight. What's more, their neutral taste and versatile nature make them simple to incorporate into a variety of meals and snacks. So next time when someone mentions chia seeds, remember they are not just a food trend, they are a weight loss ally. Alright, having shared these 7 amazing chia seed hacks for weight loss, we're eager to hear from you. Which one did you find the most beneficial or intriguing? Is it the fiber content, the protein power, the stomach expansion, the low calories, the replacement for higher calorie ingredients, the blood sugar regulation, or the easy incorporation into your diet? Let us know in the comments below. We would also love it if you could like this video and share it with a friend who might need this information. Remember, sharing is caring. And who knows, you might just be the catalyst for someone's successful weight loss journey. As we wrap up, we want to thank you for being a part of this informative journey. Remember, your health is indeed your wealth. So take care, stay healthy, and keep exploring those chia seed hacks. Until next time, goodbye.